Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the tricks you can do with an S Pen. So I'm going to be showing you things you can do if you have a phone that has an S Pen support. So one of the things that you can do with an S Pen that is quite interesting is copying texts on apps that don't allow you to copy texts. So you can copy texts, maybe comments, for example on Instagram. You see, if I try to copy a comment, it just highlights the comment. You can't copy a comment. Sometimes you find you've reached on a very nice comment, you want to copy it, maybe forward it to someone. So all you do is place the button on the S Pen and it will highlight the text you want to copy, and this mostly works on apps that restrict you from copying text. So you just long press on the button, on the S Pen button, and it will allow you to select the text and press on copy. So as you see, I've copied that comment and I can paste it anywhere I want, maybe to the notes or forward it to someone where I wanted to forward it to, or keep it to read it later or review it later. As you see, I've pasted it there. So that's one of the functions of the S Pen. And some apps you find, even though you place the button, you can't copy the comment, and this applies on YouTube. For example, on YouTube, I'm going to show you how to copy text on YouTube. For example, maybe if I want to copy a title of a certain video or comments of a certain video, on YouTube it doesn't allow, even though you place the S Pen button. For example, let me use my channel, the side S22. I'm going to search for my channel and look for one of my videos. So for example, if I want to copy the text, the title of my video, so when I place the S Pen button and I try to copy, you see it won't allow me to copy. So let me pause it there. So when I try to copy this text, it doesn't allow. And all you have to do to copy these texts, you will place on the pen icon and you place on Smart Select. So you place on Smart Select, then you place on the select button. It will be the first button, and this will allow you to select a certain portion of your screen. So if I select this one, let me select the whole title. So if you select the whole title, let me try select the whole title. You try and select the word you want to copy, or you select the area where the word you want to copy is. So if I try and select my whole title, as you see here, it will bring my title, and I will press on extract text, or sometimes it brings copy. So you place on extract text, then you place on copy. As you see, I've copied the title on my video. So I can paste this here, and if I place search, it will take me straight to my video. Maybe I want to forward it to someone, or it's an interesting title, an interesting comment. That's how you get to copy the text. And another thing that is interesting, if you want to access your notes, all you do is click or place the S Pen button and double tap on the screen. That will bring up your notes, and you can note anything you want on a very fast pace. So if you want to note something, just get the S Pen, click the button on the S Pen and double click on the screen. It will bring up the notes, and you'll be able to keep notes of what you want, or maybe a memo or something you think you will forget. And that's a cool function on the S Pen. Also, another thing you can do with an S Pen is make GIFs or make recordings of certain sections of your screen. So all you do, press on the pen and you place on Smart Select. After placing on Smart Select, you place on GIF, or you place on screenshot, or you place on select. So you will select a certain area of your screen. For example, I have placed on GIF. Let me show you how it's going to be done. And it also does a good work to select where you want it to select. So if I place on GIF, as you see, it has selected the video section, as it recognizes the video section. I want to make a GIF of the video, so I can play the video and record. It records up to 15 seconds, but I record few seconds to make a GIF. As you see, I have already recorded a GIF of my video. I've made a GIF from my video, so it does a good work to select, you save, and you can share that maybe to your friends, or you want to post it and use it for your own benefit, and that's a good thing. It also takes screenshots. For example, if I want to take a screenshot of a certain area of my screen, as you see, I've only selected that, and I can only take a screenshot of that, or a screen recording of that. And that's a very, very nice feature, and it's very useful. And another thing you can use an S Pen for, as you draw objects in your Samsung Notes, sometimes circles or a triangle, they are not that accurate, so you can scroll all the way and press on the geometry sign, and it will be able to autocorrect your shapes to perfect shapes. As you see, if I draw a circle and a triangle, it will make them perfect circles. And this works for maybe artists, you're trying to make you a neat work, you're trying to make your work very neat. So all you do, you draw any shape or any letter, it will do a very good job to auto correct that shape to a very neat shape. So you can make any shape and it will do a very good job. Sometimes it messes up at some time, but it does a good job to select to make autocorrect the shape. Plus another thing, the S Pen to text, where you write your word, and the phone will be able to translate the words you've written to text. And that's also a good feature. You can also try it out. You have to update your phone to the latest version to get that. And another thing, when you open the camera app to take a photo, all you do is place the S Pen button, and your phone will be able to take photos. You just place on the S Pen button and your phone will take photos. Maybe your phone is in a distance, it's on a tripod stand, and you want to take a quick photo. All you do is place on the S Pen button and you'll be able to take photos. Those are some of the tricks you can do with an S Pen, and there are many more good features you can do with an S Pen. If you have a phone that has an S Pen, try them out. They are quite useful. And anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.